Crank up your next adventure with Malibu, the best-selling and most versatile water sports boat in the world. Malibu is known for being the most innovative company in the history of the water sports industry, with a long honor roll of cutting-edge catalysts. We shifted the market from direct-drive boats to high-performance V-drive boats, and we introduced the first wake-specific hull, the first onboard computer system in 1993, the ingenious Power Wedge in 2006, the revolutionary Surfgate in 2012, and the best-selling ski-wake surf boat of all time, the Wakesetter 23 LSV. Year after year, Malibu sells more water sports boats than anyone else. In 5 short years, we've gone from being second in market share to being far and away the leader by over 12 points. In fact, our unit sales are almost equal to those of our top 2 competitors. Now that doesn't happen without a good reason, and it isn't because we're lucky. It's because we're really, really competitive. Our game-changing innovations, incredible versatility, and ideal mix of performance and pleasure lead the pack. Our competition simply can't keep up. Imagine total wake control at your fingertips. Imagine a totally customized surf wave for every member of your family or group. It's yours with Malibu's revolutionary Surfgate, the first wave maker to appear on the market. It's the original wake surf system, and there's no doubt that it's still the best. Ignore all the marketing lies out there. Surfgate has consistently and easily outperformed and outsold every competitor copy since it came out. With an almost 100% adoption rate, we sell well over 3,000 Surfgate systems per year, dwarfing our competition. Equipped with the Surfgate, our bigger, redesigned hydraulic Power Wedge 2, the refined engineering of our wake and wave maximizing hulls, and our on-the-fly quad hard tank and plug-and-play ballast systems, Malibu's 2015 models can make monster wakes and then literally turn them into the biggest waves the industry has ever seen, creating the most dynamic playground for wake surfing ever. All you have to do is lift a finger to transform the world's best water sports wake into a perfect surfable wave, easily shifting the lip from side to side for transfers and regular or goofy foot. Fast actuators on the dual surf gates mean easier transfers, and an indicator horn and optional light signals let riders know when to make their move. Passengers never have to pile up and lean the boat. They can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the action while the driver controls it all with ease, giving surfers a smooth, glassy, customized wave on either side. Surfgate is not only the original, it's truly the ultimate wake surf system. The bigger, more versatile hydraulic Power Wedge 2 features a larger foil with a 21% surface area increase, which equates to an additional 300 pounds of simulated ballast, for a total of 1,500 pounds of weight-creating water displacement. On top of this massive increase, a new upward angle radically increases lift, allowing the driver to get a fully loaded boat planing in much less time. The more symmetrical wake that the new Power Wedge 2 creates is also taller, longer, and cleaner. Add Surfgate, and you can transform your wake into a wicked wave. The result is an evolutionary leap beyond all other wakeboarding and surfing systems. This year, Malibu becomes the first to market with a big, bold 12-inch touchscreen, an industry exclusive that joins our classic 7-inch touchscreen to form the display for our peerless new command center, giving the driver endless data in an easy-to-navigate interface. Every major feature is on the home screen. Menu paths have been streamlined, and each component meets IP67 water intrusion standards. Built with more processing power, higher levels of integration, a feature-packed new operating system, and powerful wireless connectivity, the new command center is as refined and easy to use as that of any luxury car. Its bright, high-resolution IPS displays representing the most advanced screen technology available. Both displays are glare-proof, and a 170-degree viewing angle allows you to read them from any helm position, no matter the light conditions. A push of the ingenious Go Home button releases all your ballast, disengages Surfgate, stows the Power Wedge 2, and sets speed control at 20 miles per hour. Cruising home in style has never been easier or more fun. The new Command Center's Sport Dash option includes an expandable device cradle that fits almost any smartphone and a new, intuitive analog control dial for the Surfgate, Power Wedge 2, speed, and stereo. This new dial is a great convenience and a cinch to get the hang of, allowing the driver to control all of the above with one hand and without taking their eyes off the water. Only Malibu offers its customers so much versatility with both a state-of-the-art digital interface and such a smart but simple hands-on control.
With this much new technology and a full new platform for the operating system, it was important that we go through all of the validation to make sure that the whole system could handle any stressful situation, especially in a marine environment. Is always critical to make sure that it's waterproof, salt-proof. So the system goes through different water testing to make sure there's IP67, including putting it in a chamber and shooting pressure jets of water onto the screen, as well as going through shock and salt fog validation. One of the tests that we put the system through is electrostatic discharge, and we'll put the displays into an RF room and shock it with several thousand volts while it's powered up to make sure that it's still going to perform, stay on, and be stable. We're making sure that if it's salt water, or if there's a rainstorm, or if you're hitting double ups on the water, that the system is going to perform flawlessly.
For 2015, every boat is better than ever. The all-new 22 VLX is ready to rumble. Zero-off GPS cruise is now standard on all Wakesetters, and the list goes on. But we're particularly excited to be debuting the amazing new G4 Tower. Malibu's cutting-edge G4 Tower is a torture-tested feat of engineering with thousands of R&D hours behind it, setting a new gold standard for the water sports industry. Aerospace aluminum and an internal honeycomb structure provide the optimal strength-to-weight ratio, making the G4 3 times more rigid than even its premium predecessor. Malibu's exacting attention to detail is evident in the automatic visible locks, a completely integrated wiring harness, Z5 Bimini compatibility, and 0 pinch points. The G4's sleek, aggressive design is apt for such a technologically advanced tower, but it's also as user-friendly as can be, taking less than 30 pounds of force to easily lift, lower, and latch. With powerful tower lights, downward cabin lights, and integrated forward lights, the G4 illuminates everything you need to see and more, no matter how late you stay out. Whether you're at the helm of the boat, out on the water, or just riding along, the G4 Tower can also go beyond incredible strength and utility to provide the ultimate soundtrack. Opt for huge, swivel-mounted, high-fidelity G-Force wet sound speakers to ensure that your music always sounds great, making the ride just that much sweeter. No matter what you want to do out on the water, ride, surf, ski, tube, or cruise, a Malibu is the only boat built and proven to do it all better than anybody else, with a focus on unrivaled performance, quality, versatility, and luxury. Make no mistake, our competitors like to talk big, but the truth is on the water. Get out there and see for yourself why Malibu is beyond question the leader of the pack. With first-to-market, game-changing innovations, and thanks to our amazing customers, the lion's share of sales worldwide, year after year. We give you the best so you can do your best and enjoy a life without limits on the water.